Hello everyone, welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. Today we are putting the spotlight on the silent guardian of your cardiovascular and skeletal systems, that is vitamin K2. Most of us know vitamin K for its role in blood clotting, that's mostly vitamin K1. But K2 is a different story, entirely found in specific animal and fermented foods. Emerging research, particularly in the last decade, is revealing that correcting a widespread K2 deficiency could be the key to preventing some of the most common age-related diseases. So, if you are serious about building a strong, healthy foundation for your long-term health, you will want to stick around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's dive deep into powerful world of vitamin K2. Here, top 10 health benefits of vitamin K2. That is, here we'll see what is vitamin K2 here and also some of the essential benefits this nutrient can provide based on the latest scientific research. Here, vitamin K2 is a nutrient that's closely related to vitamin K1. Both are important for human health, but they have different bodily function, vitamin K2 and K1. Here, vitamin K1 is primarily found in plants and is responsible for blood clotting. And then vitamin K2 on the other hand is found in animal-based foods and plays a role in bone and heart health. Now we'll see benefits one by one. First one, promotes healthy heart. Here, consuming foods rich in vitamin K2 helps break down calcium deposits while preventing fatty materials from forming in the arteries. And then, in addition, vitamin K2 can also help prevent cardiovascular disease by reducing arterial stiffness. And then, this is because the nutrient helps maintain elasticity in the arteries, which is essential for proper blood flow. That's what it promotes healthy heart. We'll move to the second benefit, that is helps build strong bones. Here, vitamin K2 activates a protein called osteocalcin and then which helps calcium bind to the bone. In addition, vitamin K2 has also been shown to increase bone mineral density and then which reduces the risk of fractures as we age. And then a separate study showed that the intake of vitamin K2 reduced spinal injury instances by 60%, hip injuries by 77%, and then non-spinal related injuries by 81%. That's what it's very important for to build a strong bones. Next benefit, may help prevent cancer. Some researchers believe that vitamin K2 contains anti-cancer properties, with one study showing a 63% reduction rate in advanced prostate cancer. And then it also shows overall survival and reduced recurrence of liver cancer. And then also the potential cancer preventing benefits of vitamin K2 are promising. Next benefit, improves dental health. Here, vitamin K2 helps promote calcium absorption and prevents demineralization of the teeth. And then one study looked at how vitamin K2 activates osteocalcin, a protein essential for dental health. And then it promotes the production of dentin, which is the calcium containing tissue found below tooth enamel. And then in addition, vitamin K2 is also believed to help reduce gum inflammation and bleeding. That's what it improves the dental health. And then we'll move to the next benefit, that is improves insulin sensitivity. Here, vitamin K2 has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood sugar level. And then improved insulin sensitivity due to osteocalcin metabolism. It's going to improve the osteocalcin metabolism. And then in addition, another study showed that vitamin K2 improved insulin sensitivity in type 2 diabetes patients. And then the results are promising. Here the results are promising regarding improving insulin sensitivity and maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. That's what it improves the insulin sensitivity. Next benefit, reduces mortality here. A study found that vitamin K2 may reduce the risk of death from all causes. This includes some of the most deadly chronic conditions such as cancer and also that cardiovascular diseases. Next benefit, reduces inflammation. Here, a high intake of vitamin K2 has been shown to help reduce inflammation. And then continuous research on this topic is being performed. But the current results are promising regarding the anti-inflammatory effects of vitamin K2. Next benefit, prevents varicose veins. Here it is very important. Vitamin K2 has been shown to help prevent and reduce the appearance of varicose veins. Here, research found that this mineral helps prevent calcification in the arteries. This is in turn helps improve circulation and prevent the formation of varicose veins before they occur. Next benefit, promotes brain function. Here, vitamin K2 may be able to prevent age-related cognitive decline. And then one study showed that vitamin K2 reduces the risk and rate of progression of Alzheimer's disease. And then Alzheimer's disease is a type of dementia, forgetfulness, that cause problem with memory, thinking and behavior. And then also results of the study are promising, which is why you may consider consuming more vitamin K2 to keep your brain healthy as you age. Next benefit, last but not the least, that is promotes healthy skin. A study found that when the skin lacks vitamin K2, elastin is calcified, resulting in wrinkles and other signs of aging. You can keep your skin looking young and healthy by consuming more vitamin K2 in your diet. Here, these are the items, food items you can see rich in K2, vitamin K2. Here we'll see the recap at once. Here benefits. First one is promotes a healthy heart and then helps build strong bones. Next, may help prevent cancer. Next, improves insulin sensitivity and reduces mortality and reduces inflammation. Next, prevents varicose veins. Next, promotes brain function and then last, promotes healthy skin. These are all the benefits of this one, vitamin K2. I hope you all are very clear with this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.